Currently in the cryptocurrency industry, builders are focused on agentic commerce. And on today's video, I'll give you an update about what the Algorand Foundation is doing to position itself in this industry. A few months ago, Google made a post on X about their agent payment protocol, and it talks about how it was developed with 60 plus payment and tech partners, including American Express, Coinbase, Intuit, MasterCard, PayPal, Salesforce, and ServiceNow. And if we look a little further, you can see that Algorand is one of the blockchain partners. Algorand echoes this post by saying Algorand has been added as a partner for Google Cloud Tech's agent payments protocol. Google developed AP2 to initiate and transact agent-led payments across platforms securely. Our blockchain's instant finality, low cost, and secure transactions make AP2-ready agent payments seamless across platforms. Now let's dive deeper about what this protocol actually is. Here's a blog post from Google Cloud titled "Powering AI Commerce with the New Agent Payments Protocol." So if we focus right here in the beginning, it says today, Google announced the Agents Payments Protocol, an open protocol developed with leading payments and technology companies to securely initiate and transact agent-led payments across platforms. The protocol can be used as an extension of the agent-to-agent protocol and model context protocol. In concert with industry rules and standards, it establishes a payment agnostic framework for users, merchants, and payments providers to transact with confidence across all types of payment methods. And if we're thinking about blockchain technology, this is definitely about stable coins as well. Now, Coinbase has also made a blog post that talks about this same protocol. It says Google Agentic Payments Protocol plus the X402 agents can now actually pay each other. Now I want to share this too long didn't read section. Agents can already talk to each other, and now with X402 within Google's new AP2, they can pay each other too. Stablecoins make this possible at the speed of code, unlocking micropayments and new models of automation that legacy rails simply can't support. And then finally, I want to end this with the looking ahead section. Payments are just the beginning. As agents take on increasingly complex responsibilities, sourcing information, completing tasks, or coordinating across platforms, seamless transactions will become a core enabler of autonomous workflows. Developers can experiment with new economic models, create agent-run services, and explore microeconomies powered entirely by agents. Now that you're caught up about the Google Payments Protocol in the X402 where agents can pay each other with stablecoins, let's talk about this here. Your AI agent can now have an Algorand wallet. At GoPlausible just shipped an MCP server giving any AI agent such as Claude, Copilot, or Klein a full Algorand wallet and Explorer. No app, no browser, your agent just has a wallet. And you can learn more about that below. But before we do that, let's talk about an MCP. This is the Model Context Protocol server. It's a specialized program that acts as a standardized bridge between AI models like Claude and external tools, databases, or file systems. Now that you have an understanding what a MCP server is, let's go through this article by GoPlausible, the Algorand Agentic Wallet and Explorer. So we'll start with this highlighted section. Months ago, GoPlausible released a light edition of Algorand Remote MCP called Algorand Remote MCP Lite Edition, aka Wallet Edition, consisting of 45 tools carefully crafted for common users to provide Algorand Wallet and Explorer functionalities for AI agents as an MCP server. In the next version, GoPlausible crafted 40 design widgets optimized for MCP-rich content and added to Algorand Remote MCP Lite Edition to make sure Algorand has the best user experience in agentic wallets and explorers, not bound to any UI or CLI, but natively available on every agent of choice. And that's either Claude, Klein, Copilot, and etc. And that is an update on the Google Agentic Payments Protocol in the X402 and how Algorand is positioning itself by building tools and being in partnership with Google to make sure that Algorand is a leading blockchain for agentic payments.